Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, the first sentence says, there exists a real number x such that when you cube it, you get -1. That's true. X is -1. There exists a number, here it is, that you can cube and get -1. All right, the next one says, there exists a real number x such that when you raise it to the fourth power, it's smaller than when you raise it to the second power. That's also true. Here's one, x equals 1/2. 1/2 to the fourth is 1 over 2, 4, 8, 16, 1/16. And 1/2 squared is 1/4. And 1/16 is less than 1/4. Remember, it just says there exists one. Here one is. There exists lots of them. Any fraction between 0 and 1 would work there. But that's okay. It's still true because it says I can think of one. I did. Okay, the next one says for every x, or for all x, when you square the opposite, you get the same thing as when you square the number. Can remember, x here is a real number, so this one is true also. Okay, minus x squared means negative x times negative x. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, so that's true for every x, no matter which one you tell me is true. Okay, now you can't prove it by giving examples because you have to say it works for every single one. So you have to be able to prove it in some kind of algebraic way like that. Okay, the next one says for every x, when you multiply it by 2, you get something bigger than it. Okay, that's false. And all I have to do is show you one. If I can show you one, then the for all is not true. How about x equals -1? 2 times -1 is not greater than -1. Okay, so for there exists, you have to think of one. To prove not for all, you have to think of one. To prove for all, you have to do it algebraically. All right, hope that helps. It was fun.